"Don't count your chickens before they hatch," is a well-known proverb that warns us against being overconfident and assuming that things will work out as we expect them to. The proverb means that we should not take for granted things that have not yet happened, or rely too heavily on our expectations of the future. This principle can be applied to our lives in many ways. For example, in business, it's important not to count on a deal coming through until it's actually signed and sealed. In our personal lives, we should not assume that a relationship will work out or that we will achieve our goals without putting in the necessary effort and hard work. By following the advice of this proverb, we can bring more luck, overcome difficulties, and succeed in our endeavors. By being realistic and avoiding overconfidence, we can avoid disappointments and setbacks from unexpected outcomes. We can also adopt a more resilient mindset that allows us to weather the storms of life and emerge stronger on the other side. So, the lesson of this proverb is simple but powerful. Don't count your chickens before they hatch. Keep your expectations in check, work hard, and be prepared for the unexpected. By doing so, you can increase your chances of success and happiness in all aspects of your life. Remember, life is unpredictable, and things don't always go as planned. It's important to be flexible and adapt to changing circumstances. By focusing on the present moment and taking things one step at a time, we can avoid getting too caught up in our expectations for the future. So, don't count your chickens before they hatch. But also don't let fear or pessimism hold you back from pursuing your dreams. With a balance of realism and optimism, you can approach life's challenges with a clear and open mind and ultimately achieve your goals. In conclusion, "Don't count your chickens before they hatch" is a valuable proverb that teaches us to be realistic and avoid overconfidence. By applying this principle to our lives, we can increase our chances of success, overcome challenges, and find happiness in all aspects of life, whether in business or personal relationships. It's important to keep our expectations in check and be prepared for the unexpected. By doing so, we can develop a more resilient mindset and approach life's challenges with a clear and open mind. So, remember to not count your chickens before they hatch. But also don't let fear or pessimism hold you back from pursuing your dreams. With a balance of realism and optimism, anything is possible. By living according to the wisdom of this proverb, we can avoid many of the pitfalls that come with overconfidence and unrealistic expectations. Instead, we can remain grounded, focused, and prepared for whatever challenges come our way. Whether we are dealing with setbacks, failures, or unexpected obstacles, we can use the lessons of this proverb to help us stay resilient, positive, and motivated. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment, and subscribe to the channel.